Hey, this is Sabira with workwithalicia.com coming to you from Baltimore, and today I'm going to talk to you just a little bit about online affiliate marketing and the traps that are there. Most of us don't know about them, especially when we first come online, but they're really important for you to be aware of as you are moving forward with your business. So let's go ahead and get started. When you first come online, you see all of these wonderful product launches. From the latest and greatest shiny objects are out there, and the big boys are giving us the opportunity to become an affiliate for their product and go sell it. Wonderful. Number one, launches could overwhelm you. Basically, they're going to take up a lot of your time, especially if you are going, if you're going to win something, if you're going to be at the top of the leaderboard or, really compete with the big boys, then you're going to spend a whole lot of time tied to your computer. Number two, product launches are really a one-time opportunity. Okay, that's one of the kind of the cons about product launches. You have one time, there's a window of opportunity that's opened for you for a certain amount of time. And so when that window opens, you need to basically dive through it and go. Because when it's done, when the launch is done, it's done. When all the buzz dies out in the online community, it's done. The next thing is, basically, launches are going to handcuff you. As an online affiliate marketer, going to handcuff you to your business. You really cannot afford to miss any days, any time while that window of opportunity is open. Number four, the launches are finite. Like I said, they're for a specific period of time. When the time is over, it's over. Okay? Product launches are unpredictable. As an affiliate marketer, you have very little control over the system. Your job basically is to promote, and when things go kind of wrong and people need support, you are not in control there at all. If you are someone who's going for big money fast, that can be a very vicious cycle to get caught up in. Okay, so you can actually become dependent on launches if that's where you're getting the majority of your money, and that's a trap. There is an old boy network. You take your Frank Kern and Mike Dillard and Jonathan Budd and all these folks that do these big product launches. So of course they have a inner circle that you're not going to be able to crack, and you need to know that within that inner circle there's information you're not privy to. As a online affiliate marketer who's just beginning, who may be at an intermediate level, you may be even at an advanced level. But if you're not on the inside track with those big boys, you are at a disadvantage. There is a trap there for you because there's information you're not privy to. Okay? So those are things you guys want to know. Take those into consideration as you move forward. What I want you to do now, I want you to subscribe. Just click the subscription button here. And then I want you to click the link below. Visit me at my blog where I have tons of free tutorials to give away to you. Okay? So until our next video, remember to keep living out loud with a roar and live strong. Bye-bye.